official frozen peppermint cheesecakes. Okay, so what you need are vanilla wafers, Cool Whip, condensed milk, cream cheese, and crushed peppermints like they say, but we don't have those, so we're going to use Andy's chocolate mints. You need your cooking pan and your muffin cups. You're going to need 18 muffin cups. Okay, so first we are going to place one vanilla wafer at the bottom of each muffin cup. Okay, so now we are going to put the cream cheese in the mixture and mix it. Until it is creamy. Okay, so now that we're done, now that's creamy, we are going to put in the condensed milk. A cup of crushed candy. And 2 cups of Cool Whip. One. And 2. Okay, so now we are going to mix up all the ingredients. That's good. And spoon the mixture into the muffin cups. Okay, so now we are going to cover them and put them in the freezer for 2 hours.